Hey everyone, Casey with CX Mods. We've got a Corolla Cross back in the garage today. Not a big fan of the chrome above the doors on these, so we brought in a black trim kit. I'll grab a piece here to cover that up. So as you can see, it's kind of more like a black chrome, but I prefer this look much rather than the factory chrome that's on the vehicle. Before we get to installing, I'll go over the pieces in the trim kit, and then once we do that, we'll get to the installation. So you can see here, this kit comes with 6 pieces. These 2 top ones are going to be for the front doors. On this one, I left the protectant film on it just to show you. That'll come with that. I would recommend leaving that on until they're fully installed and then peeling it off just to avoid any scratches. But the rest have the film off just to show you the finish. So those are going to be the 2 front doors, 2 rear doors, and then these 2 pieces are going to be for the little rear windows. They all have pre-applied 3M on the back side, so really all you got to do is clean off the surface with an adhesive promoter and then stick them on. We're going to wipe these down just to make sure that we have a good clean surface to install these. So like I said, this will be the trim pieces we're going to cover. Should be good on this side, and I'll run over the other side. So this is the front door piece that still has the film on it, so I'm just going to start with this one since I'm already here. My plan is to start on the back side here because I feel a little better about the position I can work down towards. So I've taken off a little bit of the backing on the adhesive, and I'm just going to start here and then just slowly work my way down, and hopefully I can get good coverage because there's not a lot of leeway on the top and bottom since this just covers it. So I just want to make sure that I can cover up that chrome as much as I possibly can. So I'll get started here. I'll just put this down here so it's not flopping around. Some good pressure on that just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. And then I can take off that film now, just kind of show you what I recommend. There we go, there's one down right there. So I'm going to have a similar approach on this one. I'm actually going to start from the front and go back. So I'm kind of trying to hook it before I lay it down. So positioning it down the line and then pinning it and then pulling it, I feel pretty good about that approach. All right, 2 down. And I'll just go over this last one here. So in this one, I wasn't as confident that this section here would pull off once I start adhering this side. So I ended up pulling off the back piece because I'm gonna start from the front and I'm gonna pull the 2 strips from up here and then down. So go front to back, and then that way I already have that piece off there. So I'm trying to calculate like I did on that last one. I can find my little strips. Alright, so that concludes our black trim install. Super easy. I'd say it'd only take you about 20 minutes. I do recommend taking your time though, because if you get off track and it starts sticking, it's going to be a real pain to fix. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@cxmods.com, or we'll be on social media as well and you can message us there. Otherwise, we'll see you on our next one.